Savor the smoke, exploring America's diverse barbecue traditions. Imagine the sizzle of meat, slowly roasting over a low flame. That's the art of barbecue, a tradition rooted in patience and flavor. Each region boasts its own barbecue signature. In Texas, it's all about the brisket, smoked to perfection, tender and juicy. Travel to Kansas City, and you'll find ribs like no other. Glazed with thick, sweet sauce, they're a sticky, finger-licking delight. In the Carolinas, pulled pork takes center stage. Cooked slowly, until it falls apart, then mixed with a tangy vinegar-based sauce. But barbecue is more than just a method of cooking. It's a gathering, a celebration of community, friends, and family. From backyard cookouts to competitive smoking contests, barbecue brings people together like few other foods can. So, the next time you're enjoying your favorite barbecue dish, remember the rich traditions and regional flavors that make it special.